Right guys, you know I've had a couple of really bad sessions and I'm telling about that one session that makes this RC hobby worthwhile. I'm having it right now. So we've got the Kraton 8S out just now, just finishing off my first pack of batteries. Obviously got the M2C chassis, the reinforced hinge pin braces at the front. I need to do the back still, but I've got the steering pretty much sorted. The car's going amazing, been jumping everywhere over here. It's a nice beautiful night. I've actually been clearing this tower for the other side, clean landing down here, going up, jumping the top of this hill. The car has been absolutely on fire. It just makes me remember why I loved it, and I kind of don't know why I shelved it for such a while, but now it's getting all beastie with all the M2C stuff. Going to up the motor eventually on it once I get a few more things done. This Kraton 8S is absolutely crazy. So what I'm going to do just now is I've got some filming that I've done earlier on with my fixed position camera, so some of these jumps and things, we'll add that on, and we'll do maybe some just head cam bashing, but I'll let you show you this guy's just in action. It's amazing. This Kraton 8S is literally the best car in the world. The only thing that I've done is I literally got a new bumper and new wing. I've split the wing, but nothing major. I mean, it's only a wing, not a big deal. We can live with that, but the car's absolutely amazing, on fire. So yeah, enjoy the video, and I've got another pack of batteries, so I'm going to run the 2 packs of batteries out before I go home. And yeah, please like, subscribe, all that stuff, and we get more cars coming, more done with the Kraton 8S. We're really back in the zone of RC now, so on with the video guys. Right, I don't know how much oomph left in these batteries, but I've got another pack anyway. Look at this big beast go. She's just absolutely flying today. Ouch! You forget how much this thing kicks up stones. Oh, on the power too much there guys. Yes! That's what it's all about guys. Yes! Oh! Right guys, that was an absolutely superb bash. Really happy with the Kraton 8S. Nothing broke other than that little crack on the wing, but I mean, nobody really cares about that. Wing's cheap as chips, easy to replace, and yeah, other than that, my M2C chassis is holding up great. The steering seems on point on the car now. I still think I'm going to up the servo for something a bit quicker, but other than that, I want to maybe get some either Vitivon or something sort of housings for the front and rear diff, and maybe replace the arms for something else. I'm not too sure. I mean, they're not broken or anything, but I might upgrade them for something a bit different just to kind of mix it up, because I want to put a lot of input into this car before I put it up to 12S, so I want to get a bigger system, bigger motor eventually, because I think 12S up here would be absolutely insane. I mean, all these big hills I can tear up with 8S, but with 12S it'd be absolutely epic. So I'm not going to do it today because I'm literally just back in with the car. I don't want to break anything, but that big hill up the top there, you can see the sort of path going up to it. It's like a ramp on the other side. I'm really got a big urge to jump that. It might not end well, but not like I feel clearing it down to here, but to try to land on the bottom of the hill. So I might do something like that next time. I've jumped this one here previously, but yeah, days like this, the sun out, getting to play with the cars, it's absolutely awesome. So I'm going to put my bag of stuff back, take the Kraton down to the car for a wee slow drive, and go home, give it a clean, upload this video. But I hope you enjoyed that, and there'll be a lot more to come. So thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm away home happy man.